That's why he wasn't talking. Dog, that man sound like a dying elephant.
I know. Stop complaining. Fuck you. Mine.